Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Mecha Chameleon on your PC quickly and safely. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be playing in no time. Step 1. Download Steam. Open your web browser and visit the official Steam website. Download the Steam installer, run it, and complete the installation. Once Steam is installed, open it and sign into your account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. Step 2. Search for Mecha Chameleon. Inside Steam, click on the search bar and type Mecha Chameleon. Select the official game page from the search results. Step 3. Buy or add the game to your library. If the game is paid, click Add to Cart and complete the purchase. If you've already purchased it or it's a free game, simply add it to your Steam library. Step 4. Install the game. Go to your library, find Mecha Chameleon and click Install. Choose the installation location if needed, then wait for the download and installation to finish. Step 5. Launch and play. Once the installation is complete, click play to launch the game. Before playing, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements, including Windows 10 or later, a capable processor, and a compatible DirectX supported graphics card for the best experience. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, and let me know in the comments which game you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.